Hey, you missed the spot.
I got it. No, I got it.
All right, boys. Let me look. You got it. So, how much do I owe you guys?
20 for me and 20 for my brother.
20 for you, 20 for your brother. Last month it was 10 for you and 10 for your brother. Why the increase?
Inflation, Mr. Marinara.
Oh, inflation, Mr. Marinara. Okay, well, you know what? I can't argue with you there. Here you go. It's 20 for you. 20 for you.
Hey guys,
Hey, Bahama, how you doing?
what's happening?
We just finished detailing Mr. Marinara's car.
Oh, you know what? That's perfect because next week I need you to come to my house and detail my car. $10 each, right?
Yep, always the same price for you, Mr.
Perfect.
What's up with that? 10 bucks for Bahama, 20 bucks for me. What's the deal?
He tips.
Excuse me. He tips?
Yes.
Well, Marinara's no cheapskate, okay? Here. You.
You call that tipping? Give us more if you want it to be a tip.
Boy, oh boy, you guys drive a hard bargain. Good man, oh man, and you go, another one for you, another one for you.
That's what I'm talking about.
I'm glad you like it.
Eli, Noah.
Hey, your mom's
Come
calling you. I need to get going.
Bye, Mr. Bahama. Bye,
See you later.
Marinara.
See you guys.
Bye,
Bye, right?
Marinara.
See you guys.
Bye,
See you then.
Bye, Mel.
Take care.
Bye, baby
See you guys
Bella.
next time.
See you later.
Bye.
See you then.